Now, over the years, Jan Verschuur in Holland has brought us some really wonderful varieties of Veronicas. Also some very nice phlox too. But this little Veronica, which caught my eye on the shipping wagon this morning, is really a very attractive little dwarf pink form of Veronica. This is called Veronica Bubblegum Candles. And as you see, it carries these bright spikes of pink flowers that are carried nice and prominently on top of dark green foliage. If you look inside the plant, you'll see that there's lots of flower buds developing inside the crown, and that gives a clue to the way that it's going to keep flowering on through the whole of the summer, especially if it's dead-headed. So if you're looking for a beautiful little dwarf pink, very brightly colored Veronica that will grow in sun or partially shaded conditions, this gorgeous variety called Bubblegum Candles is the one to put on your wish list.